Economist. You know what? Maybe I could do that. Maybe I could do like a deconstruction of one of my AI apps. Because Casual Economist, to be honestly, okay, well, let me take a step back for those of you that don't understand this. So, if you guys don't know what Casual Economist is talking about, I do live streams and then I also clip this content. And I did that with yesterday's stream, and I had one of the good doctor's clips up very quickly. And Casual Economist noticed that, and he wanted to know how that happened. And the answer is that I now have my own clipping app. I used to use a third party service, which was great, but they were very expensive and very slow. So now I do my own clipping. I don't rely on anybody else. I do it myself with AI. So Casual Economist, the funny thing about that clipping though, is that it's actually a feature within a greater app that I have. I have an entire app that manages all of my social. So that Clipper app, as cool as it is, it's actually just a feature in a bigger app that has like 7 other features, I think. So yeah, I think it could be cool to deconstruct that sometime. The challenge is I couldn't do it vertically, right? It would have to be like a YouTube stream and do it widescreen or something. But yeah, I completely vibe coded an entire app that helps me. Uh, One, it helps lower my expenses because I no longer rely on third parties, and it lets me add my own little features and little tweaks that I like just for me, and manage it that way. So the speed that you noticed yesterday was like one of the things that I built in, right? Where it instantly clips them, it saves them to my folder, I re-index, and it can be posted like 40 minutes later, right? So yeah. Um, is that spam? What is that? Okay, I don't think that's spam. But anyway, Casual Economist, I hope that makes sense. But yeah, maybe deconstructing that would be fun. Or also, if you want Casual Economist, send me an email. You know where to reach me. Maybe we can do a one-on-one too. You're such a great supporter. I'd be happy to do that, just on a basis. But yeah, the clipping that I'm doing, and really the replacement that I'm doing for all the third-party apps that I used to pay for, is really something that I've invested a lot of my AI time in.